Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to create Gmail ID on any Vivo phone. Now, to do that, just open the Settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on Users and Accounts. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Add Account. And on this page, just select Google. Now from here, just tap on Create Account. Now from here, just select For My Personal Use. Now from here, just enter your first name. Now from here, you can enter your surname or you can tap on Next. Now from here, just enter your date of birth. Just like that. And from here, just select your gender. Now from here, just tap on Next. Now from here, just create your Gmail ID. Now once you have created your Gmail ID, just tap on Next. Now as you can see, this username is taken. Now as you can see, I have entered a few numbers. Then tap on Next. Now from here, just set a password for this Gmail ID. Now once you create a password for your Gmail ID, just tap on Next. Now from here, tap on Save and tap on Next. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on I agree. Now as you can see, we have successfully created a Gmail ID. And this is how you can create a Gmail ID on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.